Welcome back. In this video, we continue with the family celebrations. So here's your warning. Go watch a cute small animal video if this is not your style. The day after my parents renewed their vows, we had a party for Grandma who celebrated a century of life. Family and friends from all over the nation came to visit. As they filled the hall, it was clear to see that she is well loved.
Another beautiful woman right there, my grandmother, friend, we're all celebrating here tonight. And I like to say that this is a celebration of 3 L's. Put a little equation, it's love and laughter equals longevity. And that's what we're here to celebrate today. So here's your opportunity to take a group photo of the Sears Green family. We'll come in Weigold and we'll all kind of scrunch in if you can't all get us in. And of course we've got to do the selfie. Oh, you got it. You guys got to squeeze in a lot more. You got to move out for this. All right, here we go. One more. Everybody say goodbye.
Unfortunately, not everyone was able to make it to this joyous day in person. However, with the aid of modern technology, they were able to send their birthday greetings.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Wish we could be there.
Hi, Grandma. We'd like to say happy birthday.
Just wanted to wish you a happy 100th birthday.
So, yep, Fran is 100 now. That's 38 Celsius. You know, she's really pleased to be here. Let's face it, she's pleased to be anywhere. I was asking her the other day, Grandma, what's the secret to your longevity? What keeps you going? She said, breathing. So I asked her, do you feel old? Do you feel 100? Do you feel old? She said, no, I don't feel old. I don't feel anything till noon. Then it's time for a nap. So getting Grandma started every day is kind of a, when you get to be 100, it takes a little bit more to get going. But she told me, said, the first thing she does is she'll open up the Longmont Times-Call newspaper. She'll look first at the obituaries. If she doesn't see her name, goes on with her day. Plays her card games. So it's real tough taking Grandma to an antique shop. Because every time you go there, she says, I remember that, I remember that, I remember that. So when Grandma was young, the Dead Sea was just only getting sick. So Grandma was trying to explain to me that you're getting older when 3 things start to happen. She said the first thing is memory loss. And then she couldn't remember the other 2. And just like with my parents, some important dignitaries couldn't make it, but they wanted to send along their well wishes. So this first one, go ahead and read that. This says, Dear Francis, it is a pleasure to congratulate you on your 100th birthday on August 19th, 2018. This is an incredible milestone. I wish you every day to be filled with love, laughter, and happiness. I hope you can spend this special day with friends and family, doing something you love. On behalf of the people of Colorado, please accept my sincere congratulations. You have my commendations and best wishes now and in the years to come. Signed, John Hickenlooper, Governor of Colorado. Our second greeting comes from a little bit further away than Denver, Colorado. This one comes from 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. This says, Happy 100th birthday. Congratulations on this wonderful occasion. We wish you and your loved ones a beautiful, glorious day. We hope your heart is filled with joy, knowing you have experienced this country's greatest blessing, the freedom and affection of family and friends over a long and well-lived life. Your American country is a proud part of our nation's remarkable story. We are inspired by your continued strength and spirit as we join your family and friends in celebrating this tremendous milestone. God bless you, and happy birthday. With best wishes, the President and First Lady, Donald and Melania Trump.
After that, my brother, who did a great job emceeing, opened the microphone to anyone who wanted to wish Grandma a happy birthday. And yes, even I, the one who runs from anything having to do with public speaking, got up to wish Grandma a happy birthday.
Started to think, you know how they do, M is 4 and O is 4. Well, I started about a month ago thinking, what can I do?
Just always be there for her when she needs us or when we need her. For years, Tony and I traveled.
And what part? She's from Danbury, Richfield. And I said, well, I'm from Danbury and Richfield. And she said, well, my husband was born and raised.
And all of us at Timeless Beauty just love you to the moon and back. And keep sending letters, keep sending pictures.
No one was around. They left me there. And where was this lady?
My husband was drunk. Anyway, so Steve and Donna and everybody asked.
Dakota is going to get up here and demonstrate my grandmother's favorite dance. We have been doing this at anniversaries and weddings and parties as long as I can remember, any of us can remember. It is the chicken dance. So Dakota's going to give a little demonstration. Those of you who forgotten the chicken dance, what do you do first? Then what do you do? Then what do you do? Then what do you do? All right, everybody say, hey, you got to do this or else we don't get dessert.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Franz. Happy birthday to you.
Verse number 2. The old gray mare, she ain't